Hi guys, welcome to LearnCity. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll be taking you through biology past questions and answers in order of topics. Our topic today is higher invertebrates. First question, question 1. Which of the following is not true of the insect? The possession of A. 2 pairs of antennae, B. Jointed appendages, C. Exoskeleton, D. 3 pairs of legs, E. Segmented body. That question is gotten from the year 1978, question 23. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's check out what the correct answer is. The correct answer is A. 2 pairs of antennae. The correct answer is A. 2 pairs of antennae because all of the other features are true of insects. They are things that are found in insects. But an insect doesn't have 2 pairs of antennae. It has just 1 pair of antennae. Question 2. Which of the following insects has an incomplete metamorphosis during its life cycle? A. Butterfly, B. Bee, C. Mosquito, D. Housefly, E. Grasshopper. That question is gotten from the year 1983, question 23. Let's give that a try. Okay, let's check out what the correct answer says. The correct answer is E. Grasshopper. We have 2 types of metamorphosis in insects. We have complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis shows no intermediate or similarity between the intermediate levels. It goes from egg to larva to pupa, then to imago, which is the adult phase. While incomplete metamorphosis goes from egg to nymph, then to imago. Grasshopper is the only one that exhibits incomplete metamorphosis among these options. Other examples are cockroach and termites. Question 3. Which of these statements is not true of insects? A. They are arthropods. B. Their body is divided into 3 distinct regions of head, thorax, and abdomen. C. Their thorax comprises 3 segments, only 2 of which bear a pair of appendages each. D. Respiration by means of trachea. E. They undergo metamorphosis. That question is gotten from the year 1982, question 26. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's check out what the correct answer says. The correct answer is D because A. Insects are arthropods. Of course, they are arthropods. They are found in the phylum Arthropoda. Insects have their body divided into 3 regions, the head, thorax, and the abdomen. They also have their thorax comprising of 3 regions, which are the prothorax, the mesothorax, and the metathorax. Insects do not respire by means of trachea. They respire by means of tracheae. Tracheae. That's different from trachea. And they undergo metamorphosis. That's also correct. So the correct answer is D. The respiration by means of trachea. Insect respirates by means of tracheae. Question 4. A centipede differs from a millipede by its A. Color, B. Numerous abdominal segments, C. Paired legs on each abdominal segment, D. Poison claws, E. Cylindrical body. That question is gotten from the year 1983, question 23. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is D. Poison claws. The correct answer is D because the question is asking us what differs a centipede from a millipede. That means, what does a centipede have that a millipede does not have? Of course, the color could be any color, so that doesn't differentiate a centipede from a millipede. They both have numerous abdominal segments. They both have paired legs on each abdominal segment. Though that of the centipede is less than that of the millipede. The millipede has more legs paired on each abdominal segment, but they both have legs paired on each abdominal segment. The major difference is a centipede has poison claws, while a millipede does not have poison claws. A millipede has cylindrical body. A centipede has a flat body, but the question is particularly asking us which one does a centipede have that a millipede does not have? And the answer is D, poison claws. Question 5. Jointed skeleton is absent in the A, cockroach, B, spider, C, millipede, D, snail, E, dragonfly. That question is gotten from the year 1984, question 23. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is D, snail. The correct answer is D, snail, because jointed skeleton or jointed appendages is a feature of arthropods. And all of the other options, the organisms we have there, they are arthropods. But the snail is a mollusk, so the snail doesn't have a jointed skeleton. Question 6. Each of the following is an arthropod except the A, crab, B, spider, C, snail, D, millipede, E, cockroach. That question is gotten from the year 1985, question 4. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's check out what the correct answer says. The correct answer is C, snail. The correct answer is snail because the question is asking us which organism is found in the phylum Arthropoda. Which one is not? Now, we have 3 classes under phylum Arthropoda. We have the insecta, we have arachnida, and we have crustacea. Crab is found under crustacea, which is still under Arthropoda. Spider is found under arachnida, which is also still under Arthropoda. Snail, like we mentioned earlier, is found under phylum Mollusca. Millipede is still under Arthropoda. Cockroach is under Insecta, which is under Arthropoda. So the correct answer is C, snail. Question 7. The male cockroach differs from the female by having A, mandibles, B, pair of stars, C, spiracles, D, a pair of cerci. The question is gotten from the year 1986, question 11. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's check out what the correct answer is. The correct answer is B, a pair of stars. A male cockroach and a female cockroach, they both have mandibles, they both have spiracles, they also both have cerci, a pair of cerci. But the only thing that a male has that a female does not have, cockroach, is a pair of stars, which is used for reproduction. Question 8. The crayfish is an arthropod because A, its body consists of a cephalothorax and abdomen. B, it has a pair of each of antennae and antennules. C, every segment of its body carries a pair of appendages. D, its body is covered with an exoskeleton made of chitin. That question is gotten from the year 1987, question 8. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is D, its body is covered with an exoskeleton. What they're asking us here is simply which of these features is found in all arthropods? And the answer is D, chitin, or an exoskeleton covered with chitin. All arthropods have that feature. Most of these things are features of crayfish, but the one which it has common with other arthropods is what we call an exoskeleton covered with chitin. Question 9. Insects and millipedes have many features in common except A. Exoskeleton, B. Jointed appendages, C. Compound eyes, D. Segmented body. That question is found in the year 1988, question 14. Let's give that a try. Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is C. Compound eyes. Correct answer is C. Compound eyes because that question is simply asking us which features does an insect and a millipede have in common. Insects and millipedes both have exoskeleton. That's correct. Insects and millipedes also both have jointed appendages. Insects and millipedes also have a segmented body. The only thing that insect has that a millipede doesn't have is compound eyes. Correct answer is therefore C. Compound eyes. Question 10. Which of the following is a common characteristic of crustaceans? A. A possession of a pair of antennae. B. Possession of two pairs of antennae. C. Each segment has a pair of walking legs. D. 4 pairs of walking legs on the cephalothorax. That question is gotten from the year 1989, question 10. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's check out what the correct answer says. The correct answer is B. Possession of 2 pairs of antennae. Crustaceans do not have 1 pair of antennae. They have 2 pairs. That is why the correct answer is B. Possession of 2 pairs of antennae. Question 11. Which of the following insects lays its eggs in horny, purse-like cases? A. Mosquito, B. Butterfly, C. Termite, D. Cockroach. That question is gotten from the year 1995, question 7. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is D. Cockroach. Cockroach lays its eggs in honey in a purse-like case. The case where the egg of the cockroach is found looks like a purse. Question 12. The 3 classes in a termitarium are A. Soldiers, queen, and workers. B. Workers, soldiers, and reproductives. C. Soldiers, workers, and kings. D. Kings, queen, and soldiers. That question is gotten from the year 1997, question 48. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is B. Workers, soldiers, and reproductives. In a termitarium, that means we're talking about termites. We have 3 different classes. We have the reproductives, we have the workers, and the soldiers. The reproductives, of course, their function is to reproduce, to bring forth more organisms. The workers, their own function is to provide food for the rest of the termitarium. While the soldiers, their function is to protect the other termites in the termitarium. Question 13. The caste of termites that lack pigmentation is the A. King, B. Worker, C. Soldier, D. Queen. That question is gotten from the year 1998, question 8. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's check out what the correct answer is. The correct answer is B. Worker. The correct answer is B. Worker because we obviously don't have king in termites. But soldier and queen, we have soldier in termites, but the workers are the ones that don't have pigmentation. Pigmentation, what we mean by pigmentation here in this question is color. So the color of the workers, we have some workers that are colored white. Some people even call them white ants. So they lack pigmentation and their function is to provide food for the rest of the termitarium. Question 14. The most abundant group of organisms in the animal kingdom is A. Mammalia, B. Aves, C. Annelida, D. Insecta. That question is gotten from the year 2009, question 47. Why not give that a try? Now let's check out what the correct answer is. The correct answer is D. Insecta. When we say the most abundant group, we are talking about the group that takes the most of the population or the most size in this kingdom. So in the animal kingdom, Insecta is the group that takes the most population. We have insects the most in the animal kingdom. 70% of the animal kingdom is made up of insects. That's what we mean. So the insects are the most abundant group in the kingdom Animalia. Question 15. An arthropod that is very destructive at the early stage of its life cycle is but A. Butterfly, B. Mosquito, C. Bee, D. Millipede. The question is got from the year 2012, question 8. Why not give that a try? Let's give that a try. Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is A. Butterfly. The correct answer is A. Butterfly because the larval stage of butterfly is what we call caterpillar. And caterpillar is very destructive in that it eats up leaves, it causes destruction on a farmland. So the most destructive larval stage among these options is butterfly. Question 16. Proboscis is a structure that is found mostly in A. Tapeworms, B. Amphibians, C. Mollusks, D. Insects. That question is found in the year 2013, question 13. Why not give that a try? Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer is D. Insects. The correct answer is D. Insects because proboscis is a part of insects that is used for feeding, the mouth part of an insect used for feeding, and it's found only in the class Insecta, where we have the insects. So proboscis is found in insects. With that, we've come to the end of today's chapter or topic. Thanks for joining us. See you next class.